If you want to speak with ease again, start an exercise routine for your voice that you can sustain over time. In the next 5 minutes, let me give you 5 tips on how to put together the perfect vocal routine for your vocal needs. My name is Katarina. I am the founder of Vocal Freedom System for the speaking voice, where I help people reduce tension, strain, or even pain when speaking and get them back to speaking with a strong voice that lasts. If you've been following me for some time, you noticed that I disappeared from social media for some time, and that is because I was dealing with my own health issues, more specifically with severe lower back pain. Why am I telling you this? Because the tips I'm going to give you in this video helped me get over my health problem. As I was going through my healing journey with my back, I realized how important a good exercise routine is. But I also learned that it's challenging to be consistent. It's so hard. On bad days, I was exercising several times a day. I was doing everything possible to get rid of pain and discomfort. On good days, I thought, I don't need to exercise today. I feel great. And guess what? The pain and discomfort returned the next day. So I realized how important it is to exercise every day, even for a little bit. It is difficult because humans are lazy creatures, including me, but it is possible. So here are my 5 tips to create and keep up with a daily practice routine for your voice. Tip number 1, start with what you already know and works for you. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. If something is working, then put it into your routine. If you know only one exercise that works for you, use that one. Your routine will evolve over time as you learn more exercises and more about your voice and body. If you find an exercise that is better than the one you already have, change your routine or add the new exercise to an existing routine to enhance it. Tip number 2, practice daily. Commit to at least 2-minute practice for your voice every day. 2 minutes, that's it. That's how you start developing a sustainable routine. Rather start small, but show up every day. You can always add more exercises to your routine and expand it once you have consistency. Tip number 3, awareness is the key. Don't do exercises on autopilot, at least not at the very beginning. If you pay attention to how it feels, what the muscles are doing, where the movement is happening, you will gain more insights into your voice and therefore progress faster than just doing exercises without awareness. Tip number 4, less is more. If you are experiencing strain, tension, or even pain when using your voice, less is more. That is your guiding principle. And I don't mean use your voice less. I mean blow less air, use less breath pressure, stay in the comfortable range, use fewer muscles, use less effort. Progress may come in the moment when you allow yourself to do just a little bit less. Don't make it happen. Allow it to happen. Tip number 5, pay attention to the emotional part of your voice. People who experience vocal issues often think about their voice in a negative way. They are worried about their voice, their job, or even future. They think about their identity and how their voice issues change who they are. Create some exercises that will address this part of your voice. For example, daily affirmations, gratitude, or self-compassion exercises. And if you feel better about your voice, you'll make more progress. These 5 tips are the exact tips that I give my clients who are dealing with muscle tension related vocal issues. If you want to be part of our group coaching program where I teach you how to get rid of tension from the voice for good and get you back to speaking on a daily basis with a strong voice that lasts all day long without worrying about the voice and without spending valuable time on exercises that do not work, click the link in the description of this video to learn more about our program and how to apply to work with me. Stay in touch by subscribing or following. This video is the first one in a series of videos about voice practice. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and check out my other videos. I hope to see you soon. Bye.